Hey, it's Chuck Jackson here with RxCoop, and today we're going to cover one of our priming devices, which is our manual cream pump priming device. This works on our AccuPump dispensers and also our Megapump Mezzo dispensers. Again, these are top-filled pumps. These are the AccuPumps, and then you're familiar with the Megapumps. So it works to prime both of it. And of course, the whole idea is that instead of filling these pumps up with a lot of cream, snapping the top on it, and then having to pump to prime it, we use this device right here to quickly prime the pump with a lot less effort. So let me show you how that works. Here we have, again, one of our AccuPumps, and you can see the floor or the piston floor right here. So the cream would fill up to the top of the piston. And then you have your pump head. You would snap on your pump head, which I'm not going to completely snap so that I can show this several times. And then you place it on to our manual primer. Manual primer is very simple. Got an opening at the top for the pump to go on top of. And then it's got a spring inside and a bellows to pump air into it. And the way it works is there's a little hole at the bottom where the air comes in as the floor rises. So you simply place the pump into the hole, press the actuator down, and then press down. And you can see that that floor has moved up to as far as I pressed it down. So you just continue to press that down until the cream is right up to the top and is primed and ready to go. If you want to continually prime it into the pump head, a couple of pumps with the pump head and you're ready to dispense. So that's how it works on the AccuPumps. Now the Megapumps, again, these are the Mezzo line of Megapumps. I have the floor right here, the piston floor, so the cream would fill up. You place your pump head or your actuator on top of it, top of the body. And then you would do the same thing. Simply place it over. Again, hold the actuator down and press down. And as you can tell, the floor has moved. Let's do that again. And you can see the floor has almost moved to the very top. And that's it. Very simple to use. No electricity involved, no batteries involved. This is our manual cream primer for our two pumps, the AccuPump and the Mezzo Megapumps. These run $300 delivered. So if you're interested in these, give me a call, or if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website. Look up this product along with all of our other products. And you can also visit our YouTube channel, where we demonstrate how to prime several different pumps using all of our priming devices. Again, Chuck Jackson with RxCoop. We'll see you next time.